Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that if you're returning. How are you today? In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I'm cooking with my preps tonight for dinner. I am making what Sean loves, and it's like a cheesesteak type almost. But instead of using rolls, or hoagie rolls, or whatever you want to call sub rolls, I'm putting it on top of tater tots. Or you can also do French fries or hash browns or whatever you want to do, okay? So I'm going to put these tater tots in the oven on 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then let's get our pot nice and hot. And I'm using steakums. And I've also got onions that I've pressure canned, jalapenos that I've pressure canned, and I'm also adding in some green peppers, some fresh green peppers, okay? And then the sauce that I'm going to be using, because generally we use Cheese Whiz, but this is the cheaper alternative to Cheese Whiz, okay? This is only like $1 a can. So that's what I'm using, and these are all in my prepper pantry. So let's get this started. Now you don't have to use steakums. I, in the past, have used just regular old lunch meat like roast beef and pastrami. Okay, you can use whatever you want. Even if you wanted to use fajita meat, you could use, honestly, whatever you want. But Sean likes the steakums, so that's what I'm using for tonight's dinner. Just break them up, put them in the pan. And this cooks fairly quickly, about 15 minutes. I cook late dinners because Sean gets home about 9:15, and it's like 8:30 right now. So this will be getting done and plated just as he's about to walk in the door. And just stir this around a bit. Now, if you don't know what steakums are, these are just really, really thin sheets, really, of meat. Really, really thin. Brown this up, and then you add whatever you want. This is nowhere near an actual Philly cheesesteak, but, you know, if only we could have Pat's or Geno's. If only. But, you know, living down here in Tampa, we can't. what I would give for a Philly pretzel right now. Oh my God. Now, as you can see, that browns up fairly quickly, right? Now, because this is browning up fairly quickly, I'm going to go ahead and add some of the fresh pepper. And get that cooking up. So what are your favorite meals that you like to cook with your preps? Let me know, because I'd like to cook those for you to see if they come out the same and to see if I like what you cook. All right. Cheese is always the last to go on. Now, let's get some of these jalapenos in here. Or if you don't like the hotness, you know, you can always go with a less hot pepper like a poblano. Poblano is a really good pepper. It's not as hot as a jalapeno, but it still gives you that good taste, that good. It's a little bit spicy, but it's not too spicy, but it still gives you that, oh, that was good, you know? Let's add some of these onions in here. And give that a stir about. Oh, it smells good in here. All right, now's the time if you want to add some spices, you want to do salt, you want to do pepper, whatever you want to add in. All right, let's see, what other spices can we add in? Huh? What else? What else? What else? Garlic. I know Sean's going to want some of his favorite spice, so let's add some of that in. Even though there's already jalapenos in here, we'll just add a little pinch, huh? There we go, just a pinch. It's going to be doing the flaming hot dance out of the way. There's that good smell. Oh, there it is. All right. Let this cook down a bit, and we'll be back. Okay, now that the tater tots are done, let's get those out of the oven. And now let's add in our cheese sauce. And by the way, if you choose to, you can drain out all the grease that's in that, happens when you're cooking those steakums. But you don't have to, but I choose to because, you imagine those arteries clogging. All right. Now, stir that cheese sauce around. Turn that heat off. Let's get a plate. Let's get a spatula. Oh, sorry. Blacked you out for a second. Oops. Let's get some tater tots on the plate. However much you want on there. You don't have to put a lot on there. And then all right, so it's like, what do you want to call it? Like the open-faced turkey sandwich, but there's no bread. I did tater tots. Open-face Philly cheesesteak with tater tots. Hey! All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, stay warm, keep prepping.